So here's how we can save iPad photos to a flash drive. Let's get started. Now, if you're new to the channel, most definitely subscribe to this channel so you don't miss videos like this one. But anyways, the first step is to connect the flash drive accessory. It might be an SSD drive, a USB stick, or even an SD card if you have the proper adapter. But you need to stick it into your iPad and wait for the connection to be established. You know that the disk is connected if you go to the files, and you can see the actual flash drive being part of the locations. So once you do have it properly connected, you can move over into the Photos app, where basically now you can just select one or multiple photos or videos without any issue. And once you have those selected, you can proceed by clicking on the share button below at the bottom. So you can click on share, a couple of options will appear, so scroll up a bit more and there should be the button to save to files. This will make one window or pop-up appear, and right now you are choosing the location, so we don't want to save it to iCloud or local iPad storage, but we want to save it directly to the flash drive, so you should be able to find it part of the locations. So select it there, create a new folder or put it anywhere you like, and you can just save it right there. So it's pretty simple, and that's how you can do this. Obviously, wait until the process is finished so you don't disconnect the flash drive before the copying has been completely finished. But other than that, it's pretty simple. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it did in fact work for you, and most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one. Thanks a lot. Catch you later.